In our last video, we used a New York trip to break down LLMs, tokens, and RAG. But just these alone are not enough. It still can't do anything in the real world. You ask, check if there are any Broadway tickets left for The Lion King tonight. And the AI replies, you can open Broadway.com. It only tells you how to do it, but it cannot actually check live seats. Enter function calling, the mechanism that grants LLMs the power to use external tools. Here is how it works. The application first feeds the model a list of available third-party tools along with your request. When the model decides a tool is needed, it outputs a structured function call command. The application then takes this command, queries the live Broadway database, and returns the results back to the model. Now, the AI can finally reply, yes, here are the seats that match your itinerary. But here's the engineering problem. Every new tool, whether it's Broadway tickets, Uber rides, or Yelp reservations, requires custom integration code, making it impossible to reuse across different apps. Enter MCP, Model Context Protocol. It standardizes all third-party tool interfaces. Now, an AI application only needs to connect to this single protocol to call any tool running on the same standard. Many people confuse function calling with MCP, thinking, aren't they the same thing? But they are worlds apart. Function calling is about the model choosing to output a structured command, while MCP is about the tools standardizing their format to connect to the model. Our AI now has tools, but you still have to micromanage it step by step. What if you could just say, plan my entire weekend trip to New York, and leave the rest to the AI? That is an agent. An agent takes a high-level goal, maps out the steps, calls tools via MCP, and tracks the results. It packages all the capabilities we just discussed into one autonomous system. While a standard LLM stays trapped inside a reactive chat box, an agent steps out of the screen to do the heavy lifting for you. In fact, most modern AI products are agents under the hood, ranging from standard chatbots like Qwen Studio, CLI tool like Qwen Code, desktop assistants like Qwen Pa. These OS agents are blowing up right now because their autonomy is next level. They don't just chat, they control your local computer, run background tasks, and message you on Slack, operating like a real personal assistant. Ideally, an agent works completely on its own. In reality, you still have to micromanage it with daily checklists and rules. This is where skills come in. A skill file packs your rules and preferences into a permanent playbook, which the agent follows automatically. Is it just a prompt? Not exactly. A prompt is a one-off instruction, like a sticky note you rewrite every time. A skill is a reusable, structured capability, like a reference book the agent pulls off the shelf on demand. Because skills are highly structured, they can be bundled together. Through progressive disclosure, the agent dynamically loads only the specific rule it needs at that exact moment. This slashes token usage, saves context space, and drastically cuts your costs. At this stage, the agent basically controls your computer. But more power means more risk. A rogue agent can easily blunder, like booking the wrong tickets or making unauthorized payments. Enter the harness, a digital leash to restrain a runaway agent. It locks in full context, enforces strict red lines, validates outputs, and guides self-repair. Ultimately, it creates a safe environment to unlock productivity. After all, nobody wants to wake up to a formatted hard drive. Now, back to the beginning. You started with one simple request. I want to travel to New York. But as your demands grew, the AI stacked up new capabilities layer by layer. These terms aren't empty buzzwords born out of thin air. Every single one was a direct solution to a real-world engineering bottleneck. And that is the core journey of how AI evolved from a simple chatbot into a system that actually gets work done. Want to learn more about AI? Tell me what you'd like to know next in the comments, and follow us for more AI insights. See you next time.